Good morning! Welcome, folks, to one more time Monday morning message. How are you guys doing this Monday morning, my friends around the world? It's a bright day out here where I am, and it feels so good. I love Monday mornings. They are my favorite mornings, actually. Most people hate Monday mornings. I love Monday mornings because it's the time when you can have a fresh start to the week, a fresh perspective, gain some new energy, soak some new energy in. At the same time, I feel like we need to be more jolly on Monday mornings, don't you think so? Everybody's so gloomed out. That's why the Monday morning message. The way to anyone's heart. This Monday morning, I bring to you two ways. One way that I will share with you, another way my buddy later is going to join and share with us. So this Monday morning message is, what is the way to anyone's heart? How to get into anyone's heart. I want you guys to comment. What do you think? What's the way to anyone's heart? Leave me comments. I'm a very passionate communicator, and I really think there is deep science or something you could say to this. But the way to anyone's heart, the way to someone else's heart, is through your own ears. That's what I think. And this is kind of trippy. Whoa. The way to someone else's heart is through my ears? And let me tell you how. The only way someone really truly appreciates you, the only way a great connection happens, the only way love happens, the only way a relationship blossoms is when you give your ears fully to the person in front of you. When you listen to them. Listening is the way to someone's heart. The ears are way to anyone's heart. And let me blow your guys' mind even more. Check this out, okay? I'm going to show you guys an image, and this is going to be very trippy for some of you. But you see, when you connect both the ears and put them side by side, it almost looks like a heart. Isn't that funny? Two ears side by side look like a heart. And can somebody spell heart for me? H-E-A-R-T. Check this out. H-E-A-R-T. The word heart has ear in it. E-A-R. It's in the middle of the heart. That's how impressive this whole image is and this imagery is. When we realize that the way to anyone's heart is actually through our ears. It's so counterintuitive, but it's almost like the button for something here is out here. And that's the beauty of this message. It was as surprising for me when I realized, wow, the ear is inside the word heart. And when I saw this image myself, I was really mind blown. I told you, we're guaranteeing two ways to somebody's heart. One is that I already shared with you, listening to them, gave you the hack. The second is a more practical tool that you guys are going to listen to and hear. 6-minute how to get into someone's heart. There's many aspects to this, but one way to be a better listener is this. When somebody is talking, just paying attention to them. See, what happens is most of the time when someone's talking to us, in our mind, we already have a mental chatter going on as to how we're going to respond to them, what's the next thing to say. But when we realize that just stopping that mental chatter will help us focus and pay attention, you'll automatically become a better listener. So the biggest task is just to stop that mental chatter and focus on the person speaking, not focusing on what you're about to say next. Because you can take two minutes after they're done speaking and formulate that. No need to formulate it simultaneously. I think that's the biggest barrier to listening for a lot of us. Hearing is physics. When the sound from somewhere is emitted and your ears catch that sound, that is hearing. It's a physical happening. Listening is a mental and emotional happening. Listening, I would say, is from the heart in many ways. It's not just a physical thing. A traveling of sound from one object going into the perception of your ears and then that interaction happening. So I would say hearing is a very physical aspect. Listening is a very heart and emotional aspect when you engage with somebody in a conversation. I guess that would be the difference between hearing and listening. It reminds me of a funny comparison from a Sherlock Holmes movie and Sherlock Holmes book when Dr. Watson asks Sherlock Holmes, the famous detective, how do you figure these things out? How are you so exceptional at figure these things out as a detective? And Sherlock Holmes says to Dr. Watson, well, you see, Dr. Watson, you see things, but I observe. And I guess that's the difference between hearing and listening. Welcoming on board my dear friend and amazing chef who's worked around the world, in India, in the United States, at 5-star properties and restaurants, Mr. Amir Alam, Chef Amir Alam.
Oh, all right. I see you in action already, Amir.
Yo, bro. Good morning, man. How are you doing?
Good morning, Amir. I'm doing superb.
Okay, let me tell you a small secret, man. Let me tell you a small secret. Come closer, everyone. Come closer.
Okay,
To get to someone's heart is to let people come into your kitchen. You know, when you go to someone's house, and this is my kitchen, bro. I'll let you come inside my heart and let me come inside your heart, and I'll teach you to cook simple breakfast in Monday morning. A lot of people see me, yeah. Monday morning, oh my God, I have to go to office or I have to work. I'll show you a simple way to get that pumped in, get that quick breakfast to reach to your heart, man. So when you in the morning when you reach to your heart, the day is beautiful.
We're excited to see what you're going on, what you're gonna teach us to cook and how to get Monday morning started with a good way to get into someone's heart. Thank you, Amir. Looking forward to the action now.
Yeah, man.
All right, we have the tools in the house.
So we got breads, okay? Let me introduce to the ingredients. We have toast bread. We are making egg and bread, simple egg and bread. We have some spinach, we have mushrooms, we have an egg, and we have some potatoes, man. I have, when I cook in my kitchen, Naren,
yeah,
and they say, a lot of my chefs say, the guest never connects, the guest never connects to the food or the chef. I always tell them, you should remember how your grandmother and your mother cooked. When they put that love, that care, that connection, that communication with your food,
wow,
that's what you have to put as a chef. So the guests, the people who are coming to your restaurant is connected. For me, when you're cooking food, you should have to put that love and connection, my friend. So
I love that, Amir. That's such a good point. Yeah, as a chef, you're saying that connection. That's why we love our mom and grandmother's food, because as a chef, we get that. So you need to put in that connection. That's how you really put the food into someone's heart and soul. That's when they really like it, as opposed to treating it like as a job, right?
Yes, man. Yes, man. You have to connect. You're doing anything. It's not only about food, man. You're doing anything, any particular job. You have to connect. You have to have that communication with the food, with the ingredients. You have to talk with them. So when you put love to your food, that love will give back to you. That's how you connect with your food. That's how you reach someone's heart,
That's amazing.
There's a story of lock and one lock and a key. It says you have the lock to open a lock. You have to the key has to enter his heart and quickly say open it. So you open. You have to reach someone's heart to open, get connected with it.
That's amazing. And I guess for you, the key to the lock is food, huh? Okay, yeah, superb. I see. Okay, so we're toasting the bread. I see.
I'll quickly show how to score, like how the chefs do this. Okay, to make it Michelin star, they take a small paring knife. This is called a paring knife, and they score like this. Okay.
Ah.
So that's how you do it, man. And just give me a second. Let me check my bread. I think.
So you were scoring the mushrooms, toasting the bread. Nice.
And Naren, just to let you know, as a chef, I like to use the rice bran oil, man. It's really good for your health. I think in today's time, you should be very careful what you are eating.
Correct. So true.
That's how we just slowly. There goes my mushroom.
Nice.
There goes my potatoes.
This is looking nice, man. Hey, you better get this parcel to my house after you cook it.
Sure, man. Let me show you how.
All right. Hey, don't hurt your fingers. Easy there, chef.
No, I got 6 minutes, man. Okay, now I want to
Nice.
getting some.
Ooh, you're using
Just I'm getting some
tweezers.
color, man. I'm just getting some color. I'm not seasoning the food. I'm not
Okay.
seasoning the food right now. But what happens when you season the food? You put salt right now. It will lose water. Mushroom has a lot of water. Spinach has a lot of water. So you have to season the food towards the end. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'll show you the perfect example, what a connection, what a communication between two things lead to. Okay? Here is the
Okay.
onion and here is my knife. Okay?
Okay.
See? Okay? I'm looking at you, Naren. I don't have to see this,
That
bro.
that's crazy now. Whoa, easy. I'm scared, man.
So, see, this comes with
Wow.
time. This comes with, you just have to see with your brain, bro. You don't need your eyes. You don't need your eyes to connect. You know?
Straight amazing. Straight fire. Wow. That was awesome. Hey, that's why you're the five-star chef, huh? That's why you're doing the cooking, man.
Don't do this. I am very used to the heat. Okay, Naren? I'm
Correct.
using my
Correct.
hands. I like to touch my ingredients. You know, when you want to connect with someone, you have to feel them. You have to give that connection, you know. So I'm touching my
Correct.
food with my hand. It comes with practice, bro. Do not touch this. It's very hard. You see?
Yeah.
Public.
Whoa. I hope your hands are washed and sanitized, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Kidding. Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good already. Wow. So we got the mushrooms, the potato, and the spinach cooked.
Yes. So I've just charred my spinach. I'm
Okay.
putting some salt right here. Always season with height, man, like rain. Just like how you say, man, no rain. You know?
You got to make the
Just like
season rain
rain.
on
So,
top of the ingredients, huh?
yes, man. So,
Nice.
here we go. Small
Okay, we got
oil,
some more oil in.
something hot, and then you just go straight in, man. That's all. Very quick.
Nice with the eggs. Wonderful. Ooh, I see. Salt Bay.
You see, if I sprinkle
I'm,
from high, it's going everywhere. You know? I'm
yes,
putting some
correct. So it's
salt,
evenly
and that's
spread.
all it is, bro. That's all it is. Let me quick, let me quickly get rid of this, bro, so we can play. You know, how much time do I have? I have, Naren.
I think
What's
we got
the
some
problem?
time. I think we got a few minutes.
So no problem. We go. Yes. I like my egg little running. The egg
Correct.
yolk
Same
is
here.
great. No problem, man. No problem. Just
Huh.
quick heat of this and my mushroom. So give it a quick, really quick heat up. You remember I never seasoned my salt, never seasoned my mushroom and that. Now
Correct.
I'm seasoning it. Just give it a toss and you're ready, man.
Nice.
Okay.
We got spinach, mushroom, potato, and
Like
eggs.
if you, if you have seen, I have everything in odd numbers. When you put anything in odd number in your plate, it comes out. You know, it's a plating technique. That's what we are learning there. Okay. So
Oh,
one
so
right here,
you're saying everything should be in odd numbers. So the pieces of mushroom, the pieces of
this is
tomato,
mushroom.
potato.
Yes,
Nice.
yes,
So if you put it in odd numbers, it will pop out. So it's better for presentation. That's a learning.
yes.
Nice.
So
Wonderful.
Go. And then we got our toast, man.
Nice.
That's what it is, man. That's how it looks.
Let me see. Oh, wonderful. We got the toast ready. We got the eggs and we got the vegetables. What a complete Monday morning breakfast. 6 minutes to someone's heart. There you have by Chef Amir. Amazing. Amazing, Amir.
So Naren, if you see, it's really quick, man. It's really quick. It's really quick. And the scores give you that extra texture. A lot of people say like we cook at home. Small things, man. It takes small things to make great things. Small thing. What I did, I take this simple mushroom, I just coat it. And when you share it, it looks amazing, you know. So you to reach someone hard, you need small things, small gestures. If you're going to office and you see someone is having difficulties to get water, give him a water. Or someone is, you know, it's lunchtime and he's really busy on the desk, get him some lunch, bro. That's how you connect with people. That's how small
amazing.
gestures, small points, and small things, bro. That's all from my side. And I'll
That
get you
was
the
awesome,
food, man.
Amir. The scoring of the mushrooms, this is such a great, simple tricks. Sprinkling of the ingredients from on top. Like I said, I love what you said. These small things make a big difference. Just like that, small listening.
Small things.
It's a
Even
big difference.
even when you put the food, I'll show you the food again. If you see, so if you see the color, I have yellow, I have green, I have some brown caramelized potato in terms of starch, and I have mushroom. You need to have a complete meal when you're starting a Monday morning. You have to fill your stomach. You have to be fulfilled as your nutrition value. Your nutrition value should reach your morning breakfast. You know. So that's you have to think.
Amazing.
You have to get that color marriage with each other. You know.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bro. Thank you, Naren. Thank you, Naren. It was a great session,
Thank you,
brother.
Amir. It was great. Thanks for being online. See you, Chef Amir.
Bye, bro.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bro.
Wow, wow. I'm hungry now. I bet you guys are too. Hence, I'm gonna leave you guys super Monday morning and super week. See you guys next week, same time, same location. Cheers.